Boom shakalaka, very risky Bitcoin price action right now. What whales are doing is going to blow your mind. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including a very risky trading situation for Bitcoin. And what whales are doing is going to absolutely rock your underpants. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, it helps out so much. Now today, fear and greed at 52, up from yesterday's 48, but still in neutral territory out of greed, which we were in for the past month or so. The overall market sideways. Bitcoin at 39,974, Ethereum at 22.22. Ooh, how about that? BNB at 293, Solana $87, XRP 51 cents, Cardano 47 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, and Avalanche $30. And Bitcoin right now sitting above the 100-day moving average, this green line right here. Should we break through here, likely headed down to the $37,000 to $34,000 area, support on the $40,000 by halving line. But there is the possibility we may just continue sideways until the $40,000 by halving line, because if we take a look, Bitcoin lower time frame update, longs quickly building below the Bitcoin price. Shorts are still there above the price. Who gets liquidated first? What do you think? I think both are going to get liquidated. The price will shoot down, it'll shoot up. Everybody will get liquidated except for the really smart traders who are doing the liquidations. And then the price will continue upwards. But as that happens in the background, we have massive sell-offs with GBTC related to the FTX, all of that garbage. But soaking up all of those GBTC sales would be BlackRock and Fidelity. They are not whales, they are leviathans. The duo swallowed up $3.45 billion in Bitcoin since the spot ETF launch. Yowzer, that's a lot. They have a longer time frame focus. And another reason why the sell-off may stop is if we take a look right now, Bitcoin miner wallet balances are lower than at the very bottom of the FTX collapse, meaning they already sold the news. There's nothing left to sell. So once this GBTC selling stops, which could potentially stop in the next few days, price could see a rebound. But you have to ask yourself, which part of the cloud are we at? Are we at A or are we at B, where Bitcoin price hits the red Ichimoku cloud? You can see right here, Bitcoin price hitting the top. Is this an A, where price will retrace even more down to the $32,000-ish area that everyone's talking about and then come back? Or are we at B, the last moment before the parabolic explosion? I'm not going to answer that for you, but which will it be? I don't know. It could be A as well. Now, the reason why maybe it's not smart to go 100x long or short at the moment is that we're likely in a range trading territory until after the halving. Sideways movement, like I was saying in the beginning, until after the halving. There's a lot of people liquidated above, a lot of people below, but right now Bitcoin is above the bull market support band and volatility is coming down. This is a reaccumulation zone. If you stay tuned, we'll show you exactly who is reaccumulating at this moment. Interesting to note though, recently, since November, Bitcoin has been following the moon cycles. Isn't this interesting? On a full moon, Bitcoin price goes up. On a new moon, Bitcoin price comes down. Look at this over and over again. Well, we have a full moon coming up. Could Bitcoin price go up just based on moon cycles? Well, stranger things have happened. This right here, the OBV on balance volume breakout on the 2-week trend line, gives us a hint as to what could potentially happen with Bitcoin. Bitcoin still under the 2-week trend line. Could this be an indicator of what's to come for Bitcoin breakout to the upside? Quite possible, especially when there's some short-term bullish indicators. Number one, we have the bullish hammer occurring right down here, generally a trend reversal in the price. Not only that, we have a reset of the daily RSI down here on the bottom, going all the way back down to the 30. And like we mentioned yesterday, the CME gap at $39,000 was filled. All of these potentially short-term bullish for Bitcoin. And the advanced NVT has dropped into the green oversold bands for the first time this bull market, potentially getting close to a local bottom. Listen to all the hints in this episode. Everything is looking like, hey, could potentially be a local bottom. Right here, we also have a golden cross of the Ichimoku, where the Tenkan is crossing over the Kijun. Look at what happened shortly after this happened each time previously. Massive, massive bull runs. This is very significant. You do not want to sleep on this because then you'll get your underpants in a little tizzy. Now, who is buying right now and why are they buying? Even amidst this market correction, Bitcoin whales are not slowing down. They're accumulating even more Bitcoin. Look at this sharp orange spike right here. In fact, there's been a notable increase in major players. 46 new entities now hold 1,000 Bitcoin or more, marking a 3% increase in just 2 weeks. This could be the dip that everyone, or at least the whales, are buying. Because if we take a look right here, it's now 8 consecutive days of Bitcoin whale withdrawals outpacing deposits. The rate of change in new whale coming is remarkable. Whale accumulation, we have not had this intense whale accumulation in the foreseeable history. Things are about to go bananas. Which way? Well, that's up to you. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.